Mother's Day is coming at us very quickly. So if you want to make the most of it and make $10,000 or more by Mother's Day, then you need to take action now. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 7 unique opportunities that give you an awesome opportunity to actually jump in there and make money before May 11 rolls around. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how to launch the perfect product. And this is something that people always get hung up on. So it's very important that you stick around, have a look at all these opportunities and see how to actually launch that product. Now, before we get started, if you're committed to making $10,000 by Mother's Day, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell because all the videos I share with you are designed to help you get there as quickly as possible. And everything I share with you is exactly what I teach you inside the Products Accelerator. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so what we're using here is eRank, which is an absolutely killer tool for finding opportunities. Now, you may be wondering how I find these terms. Well, it's just a matter of getting started. So here, what I've done is I've gone through the niching process and thought about what are the big niches that exist in the USA. And nursing is one of those. Nursing, teachers, police, like first responders, there's lots of opportunities in and around that. But specifically for Mother's Day, a great product idea are these nurse jackets. And you can see here right at the top, the keyword nurse jacket, the average searches are $1,700 a month. We've got very little competition with that. So straight away, we've got an amazing product there that we can go after. But who's the supplier? So over on Shine On, we've got these 2 denim jackets. And denim jackets are quite a good seller. And what we can do is actually personalize these. And when you personalize them, it gives them that extra buy-in, the emotional buy-in that we need from our customers. So these 2 products right here, so they're really good base cost as well. So get in there, sell them for around the $70 mark, you're going to be doing very well. So just come up with some different design ideas, get them on there and get them published. But if you want something that's not denim, Subliminator have some amazing products as well. So cardigan, for whatever reason, a cardigan seems to make sense for nurses. But if you're after more of the bomber jacket type thing, the baseball jackets, they've got these 2 here, which are absolutely incredible. And again, with the personalization that you can put on these products are sure to blow up and there's tons of profit in them as well. So you'd be selling these for anywhere from $120 to $150. Being that they're personalized, people will be willing to pay that. So 2 great products right there. So straight up, denim jacket, or we've got these baseball jackets here. Now the next opportunity are bracelets. These bracelets are available from Own Print. So I'm just looking at the necklaces. So we go into product catalog, we go to bracelets, and now it's going to give us a couple of different options here. We've got bangles or coin bracelets. It's going to be these coin bracelets that are the winners there. But what we can do from that is add in any and all the different message cards that help to sell this product. It's a very cool product like that. And they connect directly into Etsy as well, making it so much easier. So if we click into niches and ready-made designs, what we can do is go family and loved ones, click on the bracelets, and then we've got all these different designs to choose from. So I've seen a couple of opportunities with these handprints on there, these ones as well. Get in there, play around. You're going to make money with those bracelets. Next up, we've got these acrylic plaques from Shine On. Now, Shine On doesn't have a direct integration into Etsy, but what you can do is use a tool like Anywhere POD. And what that does is 2 things. It allows you to automatically personalize all the different artwork that comes through, but also it allows you to have that conduit between your supplier, in this case Shine On, and Etsy. And when those orders come through, Anywhere POD is going to help you personalize them. So these products are really cool. So there's a product bundle. And again, the base cost is really, really attractive when the customer is getting a pendant as well as that acrylic plaque. And I love these ideas because the message card jewelry has done exceptionally well. I've sold millions of dollars worth of it. And these acrylic plaques just take it that next step further because these are always on display. They're always being able to look at it, and it's a great little storage place for the necklaces as well. So putting all those message cards that you create, if you have been selling Shine On products and you've got a ton of them, putting them straight on there is fantastic. And because it is a compliant Etsy product, you can put them over there and make the most of the Mother's Day opportunity ahead of us. Next up, we have the first Mother's Day gift. So we can see here that we've got 342 searches there. Etsy competition is quite low. So when you've got heightened passion behind keywords like this, it allows you to really capture that emotion. So when people are buying for that first Mother's Day, it's very, very exciting. Whether it's a grandmother or the mum of the mum that's buying the gift, there is so much money being spent in these niche angles that's very important to focus on them, because therein is a lot of money. So have a look around that and play with different search terms around that first Mother's Day gift. So it could be you're spelling out first instead of the number. That's going to help you get different terms as well. So the first Mother's Day gifts, that allows you to sell lots of different products. But again, if you're focused, I would be selling something like these acrylic plaques, because you're going to be able to make $30 plus profit per sale on each of these, which is really quite attractive. That's a really good amount of money to be making on each of those sales, particularly on Etsy, where the listing fee is only 20 cents and then you've got the transaction and processing fees and whatnot. It's really quite attractive there. The profit here, it's saying straight up, if you're selling it for $60, you're going to be making around that $40 mark just on the silver. The next opportunity is the mama necklace. Now, this one is red hot, and look at it right here. So right at the top here, we've got just under 1,400 searches. The competition's very little. We come down here, we've got mama sweatshirt, we've got mama embroidered sweatshirt, and they're all showing that they've got little competition. And mama, being a focus keyword for Mother's Day, it's a good one to go after. So right there, you have several product opportunities. So we've got those jackets. We've got, what was that? The bracelets. We've got those acrylic plaques, mama necklace, which is super important. Then we've got the apparel that we can sell as well. Think outside the box of what you can do. So mama bracelet down here, we can look at that one as well. So I'll get my mug out of the way. Mama bracelet, little competition. Mama necklace up here. We've got little competition. So these are really, really strong terms to go after. And what I do is when I come in on these terms, I Command F and click mama, and that brings up the highlight on each of one of those. So they come through. This is the best way to find your opportunities. And on that, this step alone, coming in here, using the search term, the initial broad one, and then drilling down, sorting by your searches, and then looking at the Etsy competition, this is how you have a really good jumping off point. Now, how do you launch the perfect product? But before we get into that, what I want to share with you is a little thing that I've put together inside the Products Accelerator. So the Products Accelerator is my coaching program for print on demand, where I'm teaching you the step-by-step process to being able to create those $5,000 to $10,000 per month businesses in as little time as possible. So in there, you get my personal guidance. You're in with a community of like-minded people. When you apply to join, it's actually a time for us to have a chat, see if we connect, see if we've got the right energy, because when we've got each of those things happening, the coaching calls are that much stronger. They're so much more enjoyable. Energy is contagious, whether it's negative or positive. So making sure that we get along is a great way to make sure that everybody in that community is a valuable contributor. And with that, we all know our network equals our net worth, meaning we're going to be able to get to our goals much sooner. Let's get back to that perfect product launch formula. Okay, so what is the perfect product? The answer to that, and it's the most truthful answer I could possibly give you with print on demand, the most perfect product is the one you publish. And the reason being, no amount of research or spinning your wheels or creative design is going to matter if it's not in a place where someone can actually purchase it. And through that purchasing behavior and through actually having it published, you allow yourself to get the data you need to be able to find the product that goes on and make sales. Now, the perfect product is profitable. And the only way we get there is by making sure that everything that we do with our print on demand business results in a product in a place where someone can buy it. Why? Because when they're out there in a marketplace where someone can buy them, we are getting valuable data. It's not data that we're getting from our family and friends that may just say, you know what, I wouldn't buy that. The thing is, they're not like everyone else. When we put it out there, we are being able to put it in front of a lot of different people, and that is much more valuable. A lot of the products I've sold over the years, I would never have bought. My wife certainly wouldn't have, but they wouldn't have sold if I didn't launch it. So the reason we do that is because we want to get that data. And inside Etsy, what we can see is the search terms people are looking for. And when we've got those search terms and whether or not our products are showing up, if they're getting favorited, clicked, or even purchased, then we've got something valuable to work with. That is critically important, because when we've got that, then we can zero in on those specific types of products or designs or keywords that we're creating and make more variations of that, allowing us to get closer and closer to those products that allow us to make thousands of dollars plus. Now, I'm not sure about you, but that sounds like the perfect product to me when I'm actually making profit. And that means the perfect product is profitable. So, of all those opportunities, you might be sitting there wondering, which one do I choose? How can I focus on all of these for Mother's Day? Well, you can't. And this is where launching any one of them, getting started, is how you're going to be able to get the data you need to find your success. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use Google's random number generator. So over here, 1 to 7, and I'm going to go generate number 5. Okay, cool. So that means we go to number 5 on the list, and it looks like those acrylic plaque with the necklaces. Great product. So just get to creating designs specifically for this product. Start getting that data and start zeroing in on those perfect products. But you know what? You may have a store full of products that may make sense already for Mother's Day. So you don't want to overlook them as well. So if you're making sales already, what you can do to get even more, particularly on this specific holiday, is to use SEO to your advantage. So for Mother's Day, what we need to do is update our titles, add Mother's Day gift or gift of Mother's Day or perfect for Mother's Day or some iteration of that, just to put Mother's Day in that title. Update your description with different search terms as well around that Mother's Day, and update your tags. Make sure you've got gift for mum in there or Mother's Day gift. Those elements are going to help people find your products. And there you have it. Not just 7 opportunities, but a ton to get you started. And you need to get started now. Get your store launched. Get your products published and get those profits coming in. And make sure you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and watch this video next, because that's going to help you make even more profit. Stay awesome.